Ethereum cost pretty equivalent to $2,295.03 a coin, which essentially is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range. 2,267.35 2,332.23 in a sort of significant manner. The earlier day close. 2,326.53. The change was 31.50, 1.35% in a by and large enormous manner. Converse rate. United States dollars to ETH in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $23.85, kind of greatest $25.52, in every practical sense, least $22.18, showing how the change especially was 31.50, 1.35%, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $24.38, most certainly greatest $26.09, by and large least $22.67, which basically is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $24.46, for the most part greatest $26.17, certainly least $22.75, showing how the earlier day close. 2,326.53. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, December 28. Cost $24.14, really most extreme $25.83, certainly least $22.45, which essentially is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $24.38, fundamentally most extreme $26.09, least $22.67, exhibiting how Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $24.38, kind of greatest $26.09, truly least $22.67 in an every practical sense, huge way. In multi-week Ethereum gauge on Monday, January 1. Cost $24.02, for the most part greatest $25.70, sort of least $22.34, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $23.98, genuinely most extreme $25.66, all things considered, least $22.30 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $23.22, genuinely greatest $24.85, exceptionally least $21.59 in a sort of large manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $23.65, truly most extreme $25.31, in every practical sense, least $21.99, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, January 5. Cost $24.26, truly most extreme $25.96, genuinely least $22.56, which truly is very critical. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $23.96, beautiful most extreme $25.64, especially least $22.28 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $22.79, most certainly greatest $24.39, truly least $21.19, or so they especially thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, January 10. Cost $22.71, really most extreme $24.30, especially least $21.12 in a significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, January 11. Cost $22.60, especially greatest $24.18, fundamentally least $21.02 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, January 12. Cost $22.62, lovely greatest $24.20, certainly least $21.04, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Ethereum conjecture on Monday, January 15. Cost $23.83, all things considered, most extreme $25.50, beautiful least $22.16 in a very huge way. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, January 16. Cost $23.13, beautiful most extreme $24.75, by and large least $21.51 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, January 17. Cost $23.73, genuinely most extreme $25.39, especially least $22.07, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, January 18. Cost $24.17, especially greatest $25.86, beautiful least $22.48 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Friday, January 19. Cost $24.65, certainly greatest $26.38, really least $22.92 in an extremely enormous way. In about a month, Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, January 22. Cost $25.52, genuinely most extreme $27.31, exceptionally least $23.73, or so they really thought. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, January 23. Cost $26.05, by and large greatest $27.87, especially least $24.23, showing how Ethereum cost especially equivalent to $2,295.03 a coin in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion standard truly equivalent to 0.4357 coins per $1,000 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today's reach 0.4288 0.4410, which sort of shows that Ethereum estimate on Thursday, December 28. Cost $24.14, genuinely greatest $25.83, truly least $22.45, which truly is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby 0.4298, which basically is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0059, plus 1.37%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.419 coins, sort of greatest 0.451, least 0.392, which by and large shows that dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.419 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.451, sort of least 0.392, which truly is very huge. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, December 26. Cost 0.410 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.441, essentially least 0.383, exhibiting that dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.419 coins, by and large most extreme 0.451, genuinely least 0.392, which sort of shows that dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.419 coins. Fundamentally greatest 0.451, in every practical sense, least 0.392, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, December 27. Cost 0.409 coins, most certainly greatest 0.440, kind of least 0.382, or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, December 28. Cost 0.414 coins, extremely greatest 0.445, really least 0.387, which is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Friday, December 29. Cost 0.410 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.441, certainly least 0.383, or so they for the most part thought. Multi-week United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, January 1. Cost 0.41